Yeah, Igbo.
To correct, okay.
I know this our brother be. Our brother Jiakaya will engine motorcycle. Will road this car truck. I know man care today. Come. Gabo, you call of before. Gabo call of before. My brother, come. I want to do this one before.
Yeah.
So you man make wadoka na alenji or anything. They from nka. Na nka all channel na. Lose nka na ga handisi. On nka can video yesterday. Hearing iPhone now. Yamwa design all those things. Well, low feeling iPhone. Design on here. Tige one by one. Mana mala na ife da ba engine machine. Motorcycle engine. Koji wele. Buifa. When is the design, you want design all those things. Part me now, you want design tear more. Now if you need, I want tear one by one. Everything, Mataya, I want to go to all those things. Please say design a chifa. Lawyer, therefore, born area. Come. If you go name a boy that never allow those things ever. Never allow those things ever. Machai got you. He's here with us. Therefore, hold your back plate. I want to paint.
Yeah.
Never the boy paint eba. Ya want to talk my paint today. So now our brother ba. Can you some my brother there? Yes. So now our brother. When you're born in state go bu. One obi na Anambra state obi no ba. So I know ebe obi. Aba ka ọ na-arụ this car. So I chọrọ ka enjoy some ajụjụ. Mana ihe m chọrọ ịgwa ndị Igbo. This our brother. In fact, we need to promote him. We need to support him. Call more. We need to promote him and we need to support him. As you are watching this video, make sure that you share this video. So, my brother, in my yesterday for go, I posted the video online. People are now join a handy number go, hand in your contact. So make sure you got one number go to them. They will collect your number. So because like this car now, how many weeks or months go take you? If you will let design all those things now. How many this no take you?
Like
You can go decide.
okay. Like
Yes, it can be
audible, yeah. So, Emma, here the video that they had this.
Yes.
So, and a design like this, gonna a something. Then on our work, hoka is the wager. Then maybe rogari also until what he they can see rocha this one. Or they how can see wager where lose this one. So or now had this like they only take time. Like this one now, about 3 months. EJ put it together like this.
Okay, I'll take you 3 months
to
build this one.
Yeah.
And go on longer before.
Yeah.
Turn on camera phone earlier before.
This first one in 4 months.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, this one take 4 months that time.
Yeah.
You have no chance here. Or you get here.
Look at this one with 3 months.
Okay. Also now look at this one. Man on you how to we busy. Long can take you like 3 months. Or well my everything. Everything. Come get my brother. OG pure water.
Yeah.
Look at it here. OG pure water.
Oh, yeah, want pure water yesterday.
Yeah,
the pure water. No problem.
OG rest the pure water, no problem. So my brother, but okay, start at the motor. Okay, you can go back and go front. Wait. Go to this other. You can go back and go.
Okay, let me go.
Okay. You can come. Over. Yes, you can park now. Yes, you can park. So, my brother. Nice work, nice work, nice work. On a forgotten now, because actually, your phone number because a lot of people na need your phone number. So, because no, what was your phone number? Yeah, call your number.
So my number is 081 082 34596.
Repeat it again.
081 082 34596. But remember, here can about the experiment. So here for this one, the Jasm Explorer.
Wow.
Jasm Explorer Speccat. So yeah, one here. This is the number one, and when things na fabricate
Speak louder, speak louder.
Okay, when things we na fabricate the body, like a lot of palm benders, palm breakers, bead rollers, and other things. Put this thing together, but with a factory look. Or you are the better and or you are the faster. So this is the experiment. With the real one, but all you are the better than
okay,
this.
now in Asana, I can do a bend your
Everything back I can use.
I can bend the so because of materials.
So
now, forget this our brother need the support. Ndi Igbo support on this our brother. I go phone number ya. Boy in a phone. Support him. On my talent or do easy. Mmadụ ibulu njim machine, motorcycle, njim motorcycle. Wele engineer dowe. Go to see all these parts. Go to even now. After I buy fuel. Go to even now. Fix it together. Design it all those things. Why you could take 3 months? Yeah. 3 months. Go take clear. You this car. You this thing. Go to even now. DM Stalin.
Let the car transmission. I bet it's Anyan's car. So, eba now bu 5 gears. Eba now bu auxiliary. 5 gears go. So, obu 5 serial speed auxiliary. So they can one auxiliary but only one. You move with it. But this one you move with the auxiliary. If you are low in torque, then it got to the next gear. Just notice I got from gear 1, gear 2. See there.
So when I'm looking hope only our support. Go take more materials organize you and all. You people should help him. Go take more materials organize and all. No talent God near this guy. Open this guy now now. Not in America, not in Europe or in England. Government will pick him up immediately. They train him more. Man, everyone was African, I'm Nigerian, I'm going to go on Dibo. This our brother, the very talented, young one of this thing. I have video it yesterday. Look why is in Kenya hotel. Well happened, cause well was this one. This one take clear. This one take 3 months. So please, you people should sponsor our brother. Never know your back. Look at where the guy is working on those.
Yeah, got my little late machine. So get almost the smallest late machine. Yamaka manage the where the bearing sittings and other ones. So get my pillar drill for boring. So Yamakanji will not put many things there.
So
cut off machine.
So only the more materials. Only the more materials will get you will not refer. So you people should support him. Tag yan on don't tag. I want don't want tag. Kaho for video. Ndi bona masse. Tag yan ofa. Let them watch this video and promote this our brother. I'll phone number. My brother, before I end this video, I talk about your phone number again. Yeah? Before I end this video, call your phone number again.
My number is 081 082 345 96.
Repeat it again. Don't worry, boy.
081 082 345 96.
Ndi Igbo, nani ife 19 nwoke lụrụ, nani ife ọ na-alụ, aba ka ọ na-alụ ya. Support on our brother. Make una support our brother. All the talented. Help on ya, ka o were gakwa n'ilu. Promote on ya, una discourage ya. Support him. Ka we move go on. Nearly ha. Or do easy. One cannot even do this kind of thing. Or do easy. So everyone with that kind of talent. Every that talent they anime. We need to hijack. We need to promote him up. So thank you and God bless you.